Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to create automated to-do list in Monday.com. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to do some automation with your to-do list, for example here. Now to pull this off, this is something you're going to have to collaborate with your team members, but I'm going to show you how you will be able to do it. Assuming a situation where a specific group over here is assigned to you. For example, for me, I am assigned to front-end development, and one of my team members or one of my workmates is assigned on this one. And I will be working on their task if they finish on one of their activities or one of their to-do over here. So what I want to set up is that when a status, or for example here Google Maps API, if the status of the specific task is accomplished and they say it's currently done, I would like the specific task to be moved over here to front-end development, so I will be able to work on it. Now, my type of task right now isn't really fit for the idea that I'm talking about, but we will have it as it is for now. But that's what I want to pull off. I want this Google Maps API to be redirected to front-end development after that person is done. So let's set it to working on it. So to be able to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Automate over here on the top right. Now there's a lot of automation over here that you guys could use. There's probably an automation over here that would allow you to do it easily by using some templates. But for me, I would like to create it on my own. I would like to click on Create Custom Automation. In the Custom Automation, this is where I will be able to create my own automation based on what I want to happen. Over here, as you can see, there's some sub-item status changes, item names change, every time check period, button click, and many more. There's a lot of different triggers over here that you could set up. So technically, you can create any type of automation that you want, as long as it works well with your list. And one of the automation that we will be doing today is the status change, like what I explained earlier. So I'm going to select status over here. Now I want it so that when a status is changed to done, I will be able to work on it as well, as you can see here. So I can click on this one when status is changed to done. This is the trigger. We will now be able to create the effects over here. If you click on then do this, we will be able to see here the different things that we will be able to do. And one of this is the move item to group. This is what I want to happen. But aside from that, there's also other things that you will be able to do, like create a sub item, create a new group, set number, create item. There's a lot of automation here that you guys will be able to do to create an automated to-do list. And let's say I want to move item to group. So let's say here, API integration. No, front end. There we go. So if I click on create an automation, this will be an automation that will now be part of our board over here. So if I move or do done on my Google Maps API, we were expecting, there we go, it will be automatically moved to front-end development just like that. That is what we would like to happen. Now that is now one of our automated to-do or automated to-do list on our section, which will automatically be retransferred to me as my to-do once someone or once a team member is finished with their task, just like that. We can also create more automation or like more chain reaction over here that we could do. For example, I would like to create a chain reaction or an automation for when an item is created. I would like this to be automatically moved to a specific group, but that is very plain, so we could change this actually. Let's change this to something else, something that would be more accurate or more to-do list automatically. So let's say when a column changes, update changes, we could still go with status changes over here to something, and then we could control what would happen next. So instead of when I start a change, we could create a new section over here, maybe create a new item when a specific status is changed. So click on status, change to done, what I want to happen here is that we could change or create a new group over here, and the name of the item that will be created is that check finished output. Now you could assign the specific task to a specific person who will be checking the different outputs that are created by your different team members. So for example, here, if someone changed the status to done, of course you want to double check that output, and I could assign that to someone else or to someone. So this will be a new option over here. So we will now have here like a blank, and so there we go. So when the status is changed to done, a new task will be created. So we here the task name, there we go. So let's click on create automation. So we expect that the task will be created over here, the new group. So for example, over here on item 3, let's say done, this will automatically be moved over here. There we go. And as you can see, it will automatically appear here over here as well on the other group called check finished output. So we will now be required to check everything over here. Now that's another integration or another automation with your to-do list. Now there's also some Gmail automation over here that could help with your automated to-do. For example, over here, as you can see, when an email is received, create an item in group. So this will be very useful for online businesses. So when someone emails you about your order, if someone emails you about something, you could set it up as well. So for example, add to board over here. Select your email that you would like to use when an email is received. You could select some filters over here, for example, on the subject or body. If something includes, for example, order, you could instruct your customer to have that order over here as a condition, and you could create a new group over here. There we go. And this will create a new group in that section. So you could also add this to board. And the way this automation should work is that when you receive an email that has a specific name or a specific text inside the subject or body, it will automatically create a new group in your board over here. So those are the different ways I could think of to create an automated to-do list. Now, I'm sure you guys will be able to create a more creative output or like a more creative automation. You can also check out the different existing templates right now, which is also really great. That will help you with your outputs as well. For example, here we have when status changed to something, create an update with this text. That was also something really great with a to-do type of output. So it depends on you guys on the type of to-do list that you want, but those are the different ways that I found out and would like to share to you guys on how you will be able to do an automated to-do list. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.